This is a good road. Today I would love to beat some people as you're watching. Honorable is going to be one of them. These are the people I'm going to beat. Come and stand here. Honorable, this is the church. This is a sword. I'm going to beat. I'm going to beat and I'm going to beat when I am closing your eye, my eyes. What will save you? You need to be down. When you stand up, you are finished. Have you understood? The moment you remain standing, you're done. All right. Before the sword comes, before it comes, the Lord tells his people, go down and hide and pray. Prayer is a sign for us to enter somewhere. When something is beating, it will not come to your tent. Now, I'm going to beat you. Now you look at the congregation. What will rescue them? It's their obedience. The one who will remain standing is finished. When the voice of the Holy Ghost comes, my children, humble yourselves and pray. It is a sign, leave the level where you have been taking matters. Go to another level. The Lord is calling the church. There's something that is coming. Go down in prayer. Go on your knees. I give you counsel, go down. Now when I begin to beat, am I getting them or not? If one wants to move his head, that is what is called the church. When something is moving, go down. Now travail. Pray. Hide yourself. As it is moving, it will not meet you in any way. You will not die before your time comes. As evil is moving, it will not come to your tent.
Ebyo nebirala birinde mu lukuŋŋaana lw'omuntu w'omunda okutendeka ennaku z'omwezi nga lumu paka 3 Desemba 2020.